In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Monday.com and make sure you're logged into the correct account and workspace where you want this integration to live. It's a good idea to use an account with admin permissions because most of what we're about to do happens in the admin area. Once you're on the Monday.com home screen, look for the administration option, usually found in the main navigation or under your account or workspace settings. Go ahead and click on Administration. This will open the admin panel where you can manage settings for your entire account. From the admin panel, find and select the Connections section. This is where Monday.com lets you manage all kinds of external connections and integrations. Inside Connections, choose Automation Connections. This area controls the tools that can interact with your boards and automations. Next, look for a button or link labeled Explore Integrations and click it. This opens the Integration Marketplace, where you can search through all the apps that connect to Monday.com. In the search bar, start typing the name of the integration you want to use. In this case, you're looking for the Microsoft Teams integration. As you type, you'll see options appear. Click the result that highlights the Microsoft Teams integration. Now you'll see the Microsoft Teams integration page. Here, choose the Standard option. If you see Standard more than once, select it as shown in your interface. Standard is typically the default setup that works for most teams and doesn't require special or custom configuration. On the next screen, click Use Template. This lets you start from a pre-built integration recipe instead of building everything from scratch. You'll then be prompted to select the specific board in Monday.com that you want to connect. Choose your project or any other board that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've selected the board, click Connect. This is where Monday.com will redirect you to Microsoft's sign-in page to authorize the connection between your Monday.com account and your Microsoft Teams environment. On the Microsoft sign-in page, confirm the highlighted account you want to use, then click Sign In. If your organization uses additional security, like multi-factor authentication, complete those steps as needed. After you've signed in and granted permission, you'll be redirected back to Monday.com. At this point, your integration between Monday.com and Microsoft Teams is set up. From here, you can fine-tune your integration recipes to decide exactly when updates in Monday.com should trigger messages in Teams and which channels should receive them.